Hi viewers, welcome to Kranti Computer Education. In this video, in C programming subject, we are going to learn the topic commonly used library functions in C language. So let's start the video. In C language, there is a library. C library is also called as C standard library. In C language, what is a library here? Library functions are built-in functions, inbuilt functions or predefined functions. These functions are grouped together and stored in a place. That place is called a library here. Each library function performs a specific operation. We can use the library functions to get the predefined output instead of writing our own code. The library functions are created by the persons who are created C language and C compilers. That means Dennis Ritchie itself. All the C standard library functions are declared and these are stored in header files. So how the header files are stored? The header files has a name as file name .h. So here .h is the extension for header files. Actually, the function declaration and definition, these two things are already written in all header files and all these header files are stored in C standard library. These header files must be included into our C program before using it. That's why we have to use a preprocessor directive command #include filename.h to use the appropriate built-in functions which are declared in that header files. So if you want to use any built-in function, then you have to include that particular header file by using a preprocessor directive #include statement. All the predefined functions are placed inside the header files that are readily available to use in our program. Means they are already written, they are already predefined, precompiled and they are ready to use in our program. We are just including the header file and then we can directly use these header files library functions. So the next thing is we will see some of the important header files along with their functions, along with their built-in functions. The header file has an extension name .h. So this .h is used to tell that is a type of header file. .h means what? It is a header file. Let's see some of the important library functions, means some of the header files. stdio.h. This is a standard input output header file and this header file contains input and output functions. Some of the functions are printf function, scanf function, putf function, getS function, file open function, file close function, etc. Next, conio.h. Conio.h means this is a console input output header file and this header file has the functions that are clear screen function, getch function, putch function, etc. Next, string.h. This is the header file. It contains all the string related functions. They are string length function, string copy function, string concatenate function, string comparison function, etc. Next, math.h. This is a mathematics header file. This header file contains all the functions related to mathematical operations. The functions are absolute function, power function, square root function, ceil function, floor function, etc. The next header file is time.h. This header file is this header file contains date and time related functions. The functions are setDate function, getDate function, time function, etc. That's it for today's topic and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, watch and share these videos for more computer science subject videos. Thank you guys. Bye.